What's cooking, foodies? Today we're making lemony shrimp orzo pasta. This dish is light for summertime and can be served warm or cold. You can also substitute this shrimp out for chicken, which is equally as tasty. So let's get started. For your ingredients, you will need pre-cooked shrimp. You can also substitute this out for chicken. Orzo pasta, 2 large lemons, a shallot, olive oil, and salt and pepper. To create your pasta dressing, zest 2 lemons. Make sure not to zest the white pulp as it is bitter. Juice 2 large lemons and add to lemon zest. Add a half a teaspoon pepper, half a teaspoon salt, 1/3 cup olive oil. Whisk and set aside. Dice up your shallot. This is a very mild onion. Rinse and detail your shrimp, pat dry. Boil your orzo rice according to package instructions. On medium heat, add 2 tablespoons olive oil to a large skillet and saute your shallots till soft. Takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Add pre-cooked shrimp to warm them up, about 2 minutes on each side. Add your lemon pasta dressing and then add your pasta and mix well. This is delicious hot or chilled during the summer. Alright guys, so our lemony shrimp orzo pasta is done and we are going to go ahead and do the taste test. And it's delicious. You guys have to try this. And if you're not a seafood fan, you can definitely put chicken in this. I have had it with that before and it's pretty good as well. So it's great for summer. It's light, it's summery, it's so good. So definitely give this recipe a try and let me know what you think. Make sure to like and subscribe and I'll see you guys in the next video.